Hello guys, this is Arafat, and welcome to Beast Tech AI. Today I will show you how you can make money with a simple Telegram bot by visiting websites, subscribing channels, testing bots, ad viewing posts. So let's not waste time and start the video. Let's open Telegram app. So, as you can see, this is my Telegram app, and I have pasted a link in my saved messages to show you. I am gonna click this link. Also, you will find the link in the description. Click on it, and you will reach the bot I am talking about. Once you click on that link, you will reach to this Telegram. Bots named, click Bbot. Click on the Start button to start the bot. Once you click on the Start button, it will welcome you to the bot, and it will show you all the details by doing which you can make money via this bot. Now, you will see a square with the 4 dots at the very right side bottom of this bot. Once you click on it, you will see this interface. So the first option, as you see here, is Visit Sites. Click on Open Link and then click on Open. Now the advertiser's website is loading. At the very top, you can see Stay on this page for 0 seconds to earn TRX. When the website page is loaded, you can close the page as it was 0 seconds wait time. After closing the web page, you can see it says, "Congratulations! You've earned 0.05445 ton coin." Now, what is ton coin? TRX is a cryptocurrency. You can withdraw ton coin into your crypto wallet. Now, as you can see the below options, you can also join channels. You can click on More to view more options. Now you can see the more options like View Post, etc., etc. Click on View Post, and this bot will come up with a post. Once you see the post, you can click on Watched. In the above message, it's asking me to wait for more 2 seconds. So I will wait for more 2 seconds, and then I will click on Watched. The promotion has been completed successfully, and scroll down. And you can see a message saying, "Congratulations, you've earned 0.044550 ton coin." You can also refer other people to this bot, like your friends and family. Click on the referral button, and you will get your referral link. If anyone joins from your referral link, you will get 20% from their earnings and also 5% if they create ads. If you click on the balance, you will see your account balance. Suppose you want to advertise your Telegram channel or bot or your website. You can simply click on the Advertise button over here at the bottom. After you click on the Advertise button, you will see these options: channel members, group members, bots, post views, link visits, and also Twitter engagements. Suppose you want to get members on your channel, then the bot asks you to send the public link of your channel or the group. I will go to my channel, Jobs in Dubai, which have around 22,000 subscribers. I will copy its link and send it to the Click Bbot. Now make this bot the admin of your channel, and it will use your balance in the bot to get subscribers for your channel. Do like, share, and subscribe this video, and share it with your loved ones.